Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm doing the April Bellabox unboxing, so let's jump into it. So this is the first video I'm filming in my brand new house, so I'm very excited. And it's a Bellabox video, so it's even better. And this month's theme is Cutting Edge Beauty. And these are all the products. I have a million trucks rolling past my house because it's a new development area, so just down the street from me there are a lot of trucks digging, so excuse the noise if you hear it. Ooh. So the first product in here is the biggest, it jumps right out at me. It is this Inecto Naturals Argan hair mask. So it's a restoring argan hair treatment. If your locks are in need of some TLC, a good hair treatment might do the trick. Inecto's argan hair treatment is vegan, cruelty-free, and made up of 90% natural ingredients. Its argan components will bring moisture and breathe life into your hair. So this is full size. It's $6.99, available at Priceline. So great that it's easily accessible. Smells not too bad. Yeah, I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. As you can see, I definitely need it, so I definitely try this out after that. So yeah, really excited to try that. My hair is in desperate need of some TLC. Some more hair care in here. This is the bonus product sachet. Nice to see it's 2 sachets instead of 1. It's a shampoo and conditioner from Frieda. It's the Sheer Blonde. I've tried something from this range before. I think it was like a blonde hair treatment or something, and it did absolutely nothing for my hair. Like, it was a waste of time in the shower basically. So hopefully the shampoo and conditioner will do some good. I'll chuck it in the shower and use it next time I'm in the shower. Next is something I can get samples of from work anytime I want, and that is the QV Intensive Moisturizing Cleanser for extremely dry skin, which is really great for me. So I'll definitely chuck this in my shower and use it next. I can tell all my customers about it. QV's Intensive Moisturizing Cleanser has become a household staple, and being suited to all skin types is just one reason why. Designed for daily use, it gently cleanses the skin with lightly foaming formula that leaves skin hydrated with a healthy, radiant glow. Added glycerin means locked in moisture, ensuring your skin will always feel nourished and refreshed. Perfect for times when you don't have to cleanse and moisturize. This handy cleanser does both in one. So I do sell this in one of my jobs, and this sample is 15 grams. It's tiny. The samples I give to people are a hell of a lot bigger than this. And then the full size are obviously like a litre. They're like massive. So yeah, I would have loved a bigger sample than this, especially for, you know, a main product in the box. This would be great as a bonus, but it's like tiny. It's like one use. Next is a Roche-Posay item. It is the Effaclar Duo, whatever that is. Effaclar Duo is a corrective unclogging care product for acne-prone skin. Anti-imperfections, anti-marks, and anti-recurrence. Targets severe recurring imperfections, clogged pores, and persistent marks. Visible results after 12 hours. 15ml sample. The 40ml full size item is $29.99 at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. So, assuming you just put it on your imperfections. It's definitely an interesting product, and I'm really keen to try it out because I've never heard of anything like this before. So yeah, that'll be interesting. Next we have what looks to be a roll-on, like rollerball perfume. Solinotes Roll-On Rose Eau de Toilette. Waltz into the cooler seasons as if summer never left with a touch of Solinotes Rose. As sweet and romantic as its packaging promises, the fragrance is packed with vibrant floral elegance, embellishing notes of bergamot, lychee, rose, magnolia, and a hint of cedarwood. I guess this is technically full size because rollerballs only really come in one size. It's $10, available at selected Terry White, Kenmart, Molo for empty pharmacies. And then the 50ml like eau de parfum, the full size spray, is at Priceline. Well, my Terry White doesn't sell this because I work in one. So personally, I'm not a big fan of rollerballs. I prefer like these sorts of sizes of perfumes, but spray versions. I just don't like rollerballs. I don't know. It's not Bellabox's fault. It's just my personal preference. Ooh, it's very rosy. Very rosy. It's very strong. But definitely will chuck that in my bag just in case I ever need, you know, a little bit of perfume. And last but not least, the product we all know about is this STYLONDON Hydrating Mousse Matte Lipstick. So we got to choose like, or opt in for our colour. I have the shade Pink Peony. Add a sweet pop of colour to finish your look using STYLONDON's paraben-free Mousse Matte Lippy, featuring a soft hydrating formula with added vitamin E. Each swipe will provide the perfect matte finish without drying out your lips. I'm assuming this is full size, and it is $15 from STYLONDON website. So, just getting the sticker off. I hate that because then it leaves the side of it all sticky. It's horrible. Don't put a sticker on. So, pretty much your stock standard pinky nude. Hence why I picked it. That is it there. So yeah, definitely will be wearing that. And I have to say the packaging is like this marbleized green packaging. This is so pretty. Like, this is such a pretty packaging. Like, hello. I really like that. Apart from the sticky stuff on the side. Yeah, really nice. So that is everything in the box this month. My thoughts, I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm really keen on the lipstick, obviously. I'm glad that we're starting to receive at least one makeup product in every box. The Roche-Posay item doesn't really explain how to use it because I hate them because they never have English instructions. So I struggle to know how to use some of their products just because there's no instructions. It's all French or every other freaking language. So I don't know how to particularly use this product, but I guess I'll have fun trying. The QV sample, it's a meh product for me. Not only can I personally get that for free from my job, that is not Bellabox's fault, but I know bigger samples than this exist. So, and the sachet sample, great sample. I love getting shampoo and conditioners, like 2 sample sachets for the bonus rather than just one tiny little moisturizer or cleanser or whatever. So, and this hair mask, I love that we're getting like full-size products. I'm not a big hair mask person, I'm more of a face mask person, but I'll definitely give it a shot. My hair definitely needs the hydration, so I'm keen to at least see if it's worth the time of doing a hair mask. I find that a lot of hair masks these days don't actually do a lot of good for my hair. It just doesn't. These freaking trucks, man. They wake me up every day. Sick to death, really. Sick to death of these trucks. Anyway, very keen to try that. I'm pretty happy, to be honest. I think the only real disappointment was the QV product. And in terms of the perfume, I don't like rollerballs. That's just my personal preference. But I love that we're getting bigger samples of fragrance. I mean, the little fragrance samples with the sprayed ones, those are great for a bonus. But the ones without a spray at all, it's just like a little jar of liquid. I hate those, they just get everywhere. So I'm glad they're stepping it up in terms of what perfumes they're sending us. So yeah, I'm really keen to try all of these products. So yeah, I really am happy with my box this month. And please let me know down below in the comments what you got in your box and what your thoughts are. I'll see you in my next one. See you guys.